They gonna be loud?
Huh? No.
Down here? I'm nervous now. I will get choked up somewhere.
See, that's why I didn't want to be down there. All that smoke.
All right, it's going to get noisy and smoky. See there? I told you if you're upstairs in this timing tower. And I do hope you got your cameras with you, not just camera phones. Cool. The guy with the catcher's mitts go down track so they can stop them before they get to the other end.
God dang.
All that water we just put down on the track is gone.
Look at that, Don.
Yeah.
There you go.
Casey Jones himself in the left lane, Paul Kelly. And the Chattanooga Choo-Choo over in the blue car.
Good, Don. Oh, can you do that for me? It's recording.
I'm not going to record while this is going on.
Is it gonna go?
Staging now.
Here we go. You'll see all the yellows flash at once.